Masyado talagang advance ang 18 in terms of suporta sa ating Malima SB19. Ito nga, may namataan tayong post ni Mary Grace Moreno. 18. Kalma muna tayo, nakakaloka kayo. December 5, 2026 pa ang Cloudstop year-end party sa Philippine Arena. And yes, main artist dyan ang aming SB19 plus marami pang mga guests at raffles. At heto, sagot naman ni Maybelline si Raspi. Nabook na sa wakas ang SB19. Ha 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 ha. Ang ilap niyan. Buti na tiyempuhan na. Sagot naman ni Mary Grace kay Maybelline. Almost 3 years bago na book. Ang tagal pa niyan. December 5 this year. Ang Cloudstop year-end party ng Philippine Arena with SB19. Ano ba ang Cloudstop? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ito ang ating na-research sa Google. Heto, nasusulat. Cloudstop is a global remote staffing and technology company. SB19 is a multi-award-winning Filipino boy band and the king of P-pop. The two became connected when SB19 was booked as a major musical act for Cloudstop's Roar, o ROAR, a massive annual year-end celebration for the company's workforce held at Philippine Arena. Cloudstop is a BPO outsourcing firm that matches Filipino and international professionals with global businesses. To celebrate their workforce and cap off the year, the company typically hosts a massive, exclusive concert. SB19 has performed as the headline act at these highly anticipated corporate events. Talagang nirecommend ni Cloudstop ang SB19 if you are looking to book the band or attend a public performance. It is best to check the SB19 official Instagram for their official tour dates and event lineup. So ang Cloudstop, sila yung nag-organize sa stage, sa sounds, sa projector. Ito yung remote staffing and technology company na kung saan nag-arrange sila in terms of international professionals with global businesses. O diba, ang daming makipag-partner sa SB19. Ganon sila ka-in-demand at kasikat. Sa Amerika nga, under contract sila sa Global Spin Live, Lunari Global, ano pa ba? Utah, of course, at heto ang Cloudstop based in the Philippines para sa kanilang year-end party. This coming December 5 this year sa Philippine Arena. Kaya good luck at congratulations in advance.